Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your mathematics class. As we all know, we are doing Unit 13 of your NCERT book, Surface Areas and Volumes. Right now, we are running 13.6 exercise in which we are studying the volume of a cylindrical object, how to find out the capacity of any cylindrical object. So today we are going to do question number 3 onwards. So let's start. So dear students, question number 3 is a soft drink is available in 2 packs. A tin can with a rectangular base of length 5 centimeter and width 4 centimeter having height 15 centimeter. And a plastic cylinder with circular base of diameter 7 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. Which container has greater capacity by how much? So we have been given 2 juice cans. One is with the rectangular base and other with the circular base. Obviously, if the base is of rectangular shape, that means the box obtained with this base is cuboid, and the box which is having the circular base will be a cylinder. So as you can see in this picture. So as you can see in this picture, many things are available in different kind of packs. Here one pack is in the shape of a cuboid with rectangular base, and other is in the shape of a cylinder with circular base. So they are asking that which box is having greater capacity, and the dimensions of the 2 types of boxes are given in the question. So let's find out their capacity. So dear students, we will first find out the capacity of the rectangular box. That means a box having the rectangular base, that is the cuboid. So what is the formula for this? L into B into H. For this, all the 3 dimensions are given to us in the question. The length is 5 centimeter multiplied by the base is 4 centimeter, and height is given to us as 15 centimeter. So by multiplying the 3, we'll get the capacity of the rectangular box, and the capacity of the rectangular box is 300 cubic centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter and centimeter. Similarly, dear students, we will find out the capacity of the cylindrical can. So capacity of cylindrical can is equal to, of course, capacity means its volume. So volume of cylindrical object is pi r square h. So pi 22/7 multiplied by radius. The diameter of the base is given to us as 7 centimeter, dear students. So if diameter is 7 centimeter, so what will be the radius? Half of the diameter. That is 7/2. But square is there, so we'll multiply it by 2 times. Into height is 10. So this is centimeter, this is centimeter, this is centimeter, right? So from here we can get the values. This is 11 and this is 5. So by multiplying it, 7 5s are 35, and 35 is multiplied by 11. So just add it in this way. So value will be 385 cubic centimeter. So dear students, from here you can judge that which type of can is having the greater capacity. So can you tell me which can is having the greater capacity? Yes, the capacity of the cylindrical can is greater than the capacity of the rectangular can. Capacity of rectangular can. So the question is very simple. Try the question yourself first. Okay. So I hope the question is clear to you. Let's move on to next question. And they have also asked us that how much it is greater than the cylindrical. So the difference between the two is 385 minus 300. That is, the capacity of the cylindrical can is greater than rectangular box by 85 cubic centimeter. So now question number 4. So now question number 4 is, if the lateral surface area of the cylinder is 94.2 square centimeter. Lateral surface area means, curved surface area of the cylinder is given to us. Its height is 5 centimeter. Then find the first part, radius of its base, and second part, its volume. And dear students, just concentrate on this bracket. It is given that pi should be taken as 3.14. So as I told you always, that always start the question from the given part. Now in the first part we need to find out the radius of this cylinder, right? But for that, what is given to us? Lateral surface area. Lateral means सिर्फ इसका curved surface area, the bottom and top are not included. So lateral surface area means curved surface area. So whatever is given to you, start the question with that, as I told you earlier. So just put the values. Pi is already given to you, so we will use that only. Height is 5 centimeter and radius we need to find out. So by cross multiplication and solving this calculation, we'll get the radius as 3 centimeter. So this will be the radius of this cylinder, that is 3 centimeter. So this is the first part. Now dear students, in the second part they are just asking you the volume of this cylindrical container. So volume of cylinder, the formula is pi r square h. So again the question is very easy, 3.14. Now we have the radius also, so 3 multiplied by 3 into 5. So by solving it, we'll get the volume of the cylinder also, and the volume of the cylinder is 141.3 cubic centimeter. So this will be the volume of this cylindrical container. So again the question is very easy. Once again I'm repeating, always start the question from the given part. If the given part is having some formula, then solve that first to get the unknown things automatically. So now let's move on to next question. Now dear students, question number 6 is, it costs rupees 2,200 to paint the inner curved surface area of the cylindrical vessel, which is 10 meter deep. Means we are just painting the inner curved surface area. If the cost of painting is at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, first part find the inner curved surface area of the vessel, then find the radius, and then find the capacity. So dear students, what is given to us? Total cost of the painting is given to us, and we know that how the total cost is obtained. Now dear students, total cost of painting inner curved surface area, सिलेंडर को सिर्फ इसका कर्व्ड पार्ट हमें पेंट करना है, वो भी सिर्फ अंदर से. And the cost, total cost of painting this curved part is given to us as rupees 2,200. And do you know how do we get the total cost? तो total cost कैसे आती है? Inner curved surface area multiplied by cost of painting 1 meter square. That will give us like cost of 1 chocolate multiplied by number of chocolates. 50 chocolates हैं, एक की cost 50 रुपीज़ है, तो कितने पे करेंगे? 50 into 50? Yeah, 2,500. So same here. So what do we get? First part we will obtain from here the inner. This is inner curved surface area. This is inner curved surface area multiplied by. Now this cost of painting is given to us in the question as rupees 20 per meter square. Rupees 20 for 1 meter square, and from here we'll get the total cost. So what will be the inner curved surface area? Inner curved surface area, this is multiplied, it goes in the denominator when you cross multiply it. Rupees 20, so rupees will cancelled out because now we are getting inner curved surface area. So what is the cost? It is 110 meter square is the inner curved surface area to be painted with this cord. So this is the first part. Now in the second part we need to find out the radius. For radius now we have inner curved surface area. For second, let us start with, now this is given for the second part. For first part this is given, for second part now, because inner curved surface area of the cylinder is 110 meter square. So we'll apply the formula for this. 2 into pi, 2 pi RH is equal to 110 meter square. So let us put the values. 22/7 radius we need to find out. Height is given to us. So right, this is in meters. So let us cross multiply the things. Multiplied by 7, and these things will comes in the denominator. So what do we get? What do we get from here? A meter will cancel out with a meter, and 0 will cancel out with this. 11 can cancel out this. So what is the radius? Radius will be 7/4 meter. Only meter is left. That means we can say radius will be means 1.75 meter. So from this we'll get the radius. From total cost we got the inner curved surface area. From inner curved surface area we got the radius. Now in the third part we need to find out the volume of this container. We need to find out the capacity of this vessel. So capacity formula is pi r square h. So again let us put the values and radius. Now dear students, one tip I want to share with you, that whenever radius is in multiplication then put the fraction for easy calculation, but whenever addition and subtraction is there then put the decimal part. So here we are going to take the radius and fraction. Height is 10. So this will makes us our calculation easy. So by solving it we'll get the capacity as 96.25 cubic meter. Volume is always this, but if we want to calculate it in kiloliters, so we can write it as kiloliters also. 96.25 kiloliters, right? Understood? Because when we divide, when we convert 1 cubic meter into liters, the relation is 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसे 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 1000 लीटर्स आ गया. बट दिस 1000 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? वी कैन राइट इट एज 1000. किलो की वैल्यू होती है 1000, तो किलो लीटर. सो इन दिस वे you can do this question. So I hope the question is clear to you. Very first of all, the total cost of painting the inner curved surface area is given to us. So from this we got the inner curved surface area. In the second part we need to find out radius, so that we'll obtain using inner curved surface area. Now we have radius, it will be easy for us to calculate the capacity of this vessel, and this will be this. So I hope the video is making your concepts clear. Dear students, if you like my videos, subscribe my channel and comment on my video and press the bell icon. Thank you.